This is Travis with POSGuys.com. Today we're taking a look at the Honeywell Captuvo Sled. This is for taking your iPod Touch and making it into a mobile computer with scanning capabilities. It slides in to the top, connects, and latches down. Once that's done, it has an magstripe reader built in. The camera can still be accessed, and you have a scanner on top of it. This is your power button. Slide to unlock, and your iPod works just as before. There's a couple free programs that come with the Captuvo. They have limited usability. One of them is basically just to test the functionality of the Captuvo. Press the scan, and you can see the reticle. It has the green beam reticle for lining up and is a 2D scanner. So even though the beam is just horizontal, you can scan it at any direction. The default program basically will look up whatever barcode you scan and sort of tell you what it is. So it's kind of a price checking application. The scan engine, though, is pretty aggressive. Like I said, it's omnidirectional. You can scan it any way you want. You can get pretty close to out 2, maybe 3 feet away. It does 2D barcodes as well. PDF 417 would probably be your most common barcode scanned if you're going to be doing licenses. Maybe data matrix or QR codes for shipping applications. Using it outdoors, it's an imager, so bright light won't affect it. The other program that's available on the market for it is the Captuvo Lite, and what it does is it creates a browser scenario where you have your little address bar there, and you can put in a website and then scan into the website. It's not quite as useful as Safari, so if there's any features that you are used to in Safari, such as bookmarking, this doesn't do it. But you can go to a website and scan into your website. So if your company has a company website, you can go to it. If you want a custom program, our programming department at POSGuys is capable of providing that. So just contact us, let us know your specifications, and we'll be happy to quote you out a custom program. Custom programs can be as cheap as a couple $100 if you just want to use a company website and you want the browser just to go straight to the website, scan it to a certain field. If you want to do more advanced lookup or connect to a database, that would require additional programming, and it's quoted on a per job basis. So please just contact sales and you let us know. This is in the browser. I have the search field highlighted for POSGuys.com. I will scan the barcode, and then it just fills in the text field and search away. Magstripe is built into it as well. It's a 3-track reader. If your application supports credit cards or employee cards with magstripes, it is available as well. But the big feature that's going to be used is the scanner on top. It is not a wedge device, though, so you can't just use the scanner in any existing application. The application has to have the Captuvo SDK built into it to scan. It does not work with iCodie either, which is a popular alternative for some of our other sleds. The sled itself has a drop spec, but it doesn't increase the drop spec of the iPod Touch. So it's not an OtterBox. It won't increase your durability, but itself, it won't get damaged if you do happen to drop the sled. There is a battery built into it as well, so that it doesn't draw from the battery of the iPod. There also is a USB port on it, micro USB, So if you need to charge the device, you don't have to take it out of the sled. You can just plug in a micro USB cable and charge it that way. You have access to the main Apple buttons. Trigger buttons are on the side. As far as charging goes, there is the micro USB, or sleds are available to charge the Captivo unit independently. For more information on the Honeywell Captivo, or to get information on custom programming and developing an application for your business, please visit our website at www.POSGuys.com.